In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to add and remove channels on YouTube TV. So whether you're looking to customize your lineup or streamline your subscription, we've got you covered. So firstly, start by logging into your YouTube TV account on your preferred device. And once you're in, go ahead and navigate to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. And in the drop-down menu, simply select Settings. Then next, you will then have to click on Live Guide. So this is where you can find all your channels and add-ons. You can then see which channels are currently part of your subscription and what extras are available. So you can also customize the channels by dragging them up or down. And if you'd like to, you can also choose to hide the channel from your list and it won't be available in your channel list. So simply do this by checking and unchecking the circles. So if a channel is checked red, it will then be available on your channel list. So that's simply how to customize, add, and remove channels on YouTube TV. So thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.